In front of me is something I didn't even know existed a few months back. When I learned about this system, I researched it and I found that it is really important to have it for your car. Hello, Namaskar, welcome, Swagatam. You are with the Versatile Doctor. My name is Dr. Abhinav Atul and today I am going to unbox and give you an overview of this Tpms, Tire Pressure Monitoring System. It is not overstating things if I say that the air pressure in your tires, in your bike or car tires, is the most important thing to maintain. For this very purpose, I recently purchased a portable air compressor to top up my tire air pressure whenever I need it. But this system is the next step. In several high-end model cars and luxury cars, tire pressure monitoring system is inbuilt and it is quite sensitive. But for those of us who have a mid-range type of car or a car model which is a bit older, this baby is very essential. There are two types of tire pressure monitoring systems available. In fact, there are two variants and two different types. The first type is external TPMS like this, which I am going to unbox shortly. The second one is internal TPMS, where the sensors are placed inside the wheel itself. So as you can understand, installing internal type of TPMS requires certain type of expertise. Most people won't be able to do it at home, but this one is for everybody. Anybody can install the external sensors of TPMS on the wheels of their vehicle. Both this internal and external TPMS sensors come in two variants. One where the sensors connect to the company provided monitor which shows the tire pressures of all your wheels and gives an alarm when required. In the second case, the sensors are Bluetooth enabled and so they can be connected to any smartphone through Bluetooth via the proprietary software of the companies. So without further exposition, let me just open up this packet and see what is inside it. The proper name of this product is Backber Universal Solar Car TPMS with 4 external sensors. I think most of you know that MRP printed on packages like this has no meaning. The price mentioned here is 18,500 rupees and it is available on Amazon for 4,599. Let's open it up. The packet is in fact attractive. We don't have a lot of papers right inside the box. There is a triangular certificate. I don't know what is the value of this. Inside this foam padded case, we have this black display monitor which is solar powered. This is quite sleek and light. This is the LCD screen where we can see tire pressure readings of all 4 tires. This is the solar panel to power this system and there is a micro USB port. It requires charging only once while we are installing the system. Once this is placed on the dash of your car, the solar panel will take care of itself and we'll never need to charge it again. And there is a sticky panel on the base to attach this display monitor on the dash of your car. Going deeper, we get 2 booklets, one of which is an operating manual and the second one is installation guide. Keeping the booklets aside, we get these babies. These are the actual external sensors which we have to screw over the nozzle of the tire so that it can read the air pressure inside the tire in real time and display it on the monitor here. These are not cheap plastic studs and the initials marked in bold over all of these sensors denote which location this sensor is supposed to go. FR stands for front right, RL for rear left and so on. And at last we get these. This is a set of 4 nuts, one for each sensor. When this one is tightened over the nozzle and under this external sensor, it will be fixed tightly and it will not come off when the wheel is in motion. There is a wrench to apply these nuts and this is the battery replacement tool to use if the batteries inside these sensors dies off. This will fit over this external sensor and we can open this up and change the batteries. Let's install all the external sensors and our monitoring system. As per our instruction manual, first of all we have to put in this anti-theft nut. Then screw this one over, this external sensor, and tighten it with this wrench. Let's see how it goes. The nut goes in, screwing it clockwise. The rear right sensor goes in. Now as soon as this is screwed in, air starts to leak out, and it is advisable to screw it in very quickly. With this wheel cap on, I think it is very difficult to insert our wrench to tighten the anti-theft nut. So let me just pull out the wheel cap and then see what we can do. See, I found it better to use my safety gloves while taking this wheel cap off so that I don't hurt my fingers. As you can see, as soon as the external sensors were installed, they started giving me warning signals that pressure on one of my tires is low. So I'll check that out later. First of all, let me find a place for this display on my dashboard. As you just saw, this sticky pad is not at all sticky. Let me try another place. No, it won't stick. So there is not even a single part of my interiors that is worthy for this sticky pad. So all in all, this is a good product, but a key utility is missing from this product. I'll probably have to use a different two-way sticky tape. Now as you can see, there is a menu button here and left and right. Long pressing the menu button goes to the unit selector. The first thing to select is pressure unit, either it is PSI or bar. Then we select it, then we go to the temperature selector, degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Then the front wheels low pressure monitor, high pressure, low pressure, high pressure. If the tire pressure goes below 26, it will give me a signal. If it goes above 39, it will give me a signal. The same thing goes for temperature also. If it goes above 75, it will give a warning signal. Now it is back to the defaults. I was getting a low pressure warning in this tire. So let me just correct it and let's see if the sensor works. The front right reading is 0 here, but it was simply a misalignment issue which got corrected by itself. So yeah, now the pressure is in the normal limit. The system has a motion sensor, which means it gets turned on when you slam your car door or when there is a vibration in your car. And the LCD screen is quite bright to be viewed properly at night time also.
So what do you think about this tire pressure monitoring system? Do let me know your views in the comment sections below. If you found this video informative and interesting, please do share it with your friends and click the subscribe button to stay tuned with me. It is my pride and privilege to be able to connect with you through this video. Namaskar.